Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this particular video, let me share you this particular latest update about how to be able to connect your wallet on this particular Xeffy project. And also, if you're able to watch particular video to the very end, I'll be sharing with you the latest update that this particular project is actually talking about. Let me quickly show you something really fast. So far so good. I've been able to accumulate over 628, and if you remember, we have actually submitted our account details, and you could see it says submitted and it is showing done there, meaning it can no longer edit. But as what they actually say that on 30th of June that the airdrop they are coming with a lot of excuses now, which is actually worries some to a lot of people, and everybody is actually worried about the next thing that we don't even actually know where they are actually heading to. But for those who actually wait to see the whole thing to the end, let me quickly show you how you'll be able to connect your account on Trust Wallet. This is all this video will be all around. So don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notifications, get inside anytime. My WhatsApp group, I'm dropping the link inside and also in the comment section of this particular video. So before that, you have to actually use your particular wallet which you actually link. For me, it was Trust Wallet because since on June, because you need to connect your Xphere Mainnet account, because through there is what you'll be able to connect. You'll be able to get this your XP point. I actually tried throughout yesterday, but I was unable to get it, and I will tell you for those actually getting that particular area, I will tell you what you need to do, and that is why you need to watch particular video. Then I was able to connect my own, and I will share with you what the status now that my account is actually showing. So after all said and done, I took the last screenshot to share to my member. You could see, you say chain needed successfully. You say now you can send and receive. You see, Xphere coin and token, browse and connect to the app, and many more. Meaning, I'm actually positioned to receive my airdrop. So if I just connected your wallet alone, there's need for you to connect this particular mainnet so that your expense will be able to you'll be able to get your allocation. So let me show you on how you'll be able to do it. So let me go to my Trust Wallet ASAP now. So this is my Trust Wallet. Let me quickly log in. So this is my this is Bakla wallet I use, and if you see here, you can see here it's showing that XP here. So what you need to do, there's a fast method and there's also a manual method, and there is one that is actually an automatic method. But let me show you in the video the automatic method. After you've logged in your Trust Wallet, now you come to this particular discovery. I'll be giving you the link that you actually use to connect yours on this particular search icon. That is where you post the link, but I've already used the link on this particular the app section. Yeah, it is called chainlink.org. So let me just tap on it. If you tap on it, you just allow it to load. There's nothing you need to do. Yeah, you could see this the CX mainnet. You could see this is the chain ID. These are what those that will be doing it manually. These are what they will actually need to actually do manually. So you just tap on this particular one that says connect. You tap on it, and you can see now mine is already there. You can see say fx mainnet RPC and chain setting wanted to connect. So mine is connected already. Let me just tap on yours. This is not how it will look. It will automatically fill the vacant position that you need to actually fill by yourself. It will actually fill it up, then you just tap on connect, and after that when you come down you see that this is your XP point. Immediately send particular airdrop. Now this is where it will be showing it. I will be seeing it here, and if you want to do it manually, what you just need to do, let me quickly show you that one place. I don't know if you've seen it. You tap on it. After you tap on it, tap on manage crypto. After you tap on manage crypto, this plus icon at the top right hand here, you tap on it. After you tap on it, it's not token you tap on network. What you need to fill also, I'll be dropping it. You put the name is SP, the name is Xphere mainnet. You actually all I'll be dropping it in this one of this particular video. So the symbol is SP, the node I'll be dropping it here, and also the block explorer. I'll be dropping everything in the description of this particular video. So So for those who are actually trying to connect, and you are, because that was what I was getting yesterday, and you are getting not connection error. What I did is, well, that I don't even know. I just went to my Play Store to try to update some app that I actually have, and when I was trying to update them, I saw that my Trust Wallet wasn't updated. So immediately I updated it. I tried it again. And that was when I actually got first line notification and everything went successfully. So if yours is not working, try as much as possible to update your app, and let's see what it will actually happen in that particular aspect. So like what I'm saying now, this is what they still send on their X and also on their Telegram. They say incentive airdrop update. They said the first incentive committee airdrop has not been conducted. That means they are still going back at their well. So they say we apologize for the delay as the staking site renew and Sibley's process have not been completed yet. We plan to proceed with the airdrop within the next 40. That means you still have next 48 hours to take decision latest. We are currently taking measure to ensure it can be carried out reliably. So try as much as possible to actually do yours right now so that you'll be able to get your head up. But one thing I saw is that this particular token, this is the token here, is actually depending. I don't actually know those people that is actually said it. When it was listed, it was around 0.01, but now currently now is at 0.007. Let's still believe and put all hope that the allocation will be good and we'll be able to have something at least for this particular weekend. Immediately, distribution is actually done, and they are only listed for now on Meg Exchange. Try as much as possible to download Meg Exchange and position your shares. So if you was helpful, please can you like, share, click on the bell notification, get anything to upload another video. Thank you and bye bye for now.